They look golden, smell smoky, and snap just right. But some of the most popular sausages are time bombs for your body. Loaded with nitrates, phosphates, and artificial fillers, they make cheap meat taste passable at a cost you can't see. We sifted through every major review to find 7 brands quietly linked to these chemical shortcuts, and 7 that skip them entirely. You're going to be shocked by which breakfast classic lands on the blacklist. Number 1, Johnsonville. You think a melty cheddar sausage can't hurt? But the Johnsonville better with Cheddar Pack's corn syrup, nitrates, and processed cheese that turn an easy snack into a salt bomb. The meat is finely ground to feel substantial, yet that smooth texture relies on stabilizers that preserve appearance more than quality. Every bite brings heavy sodium and chemical preservatives built to last weeks in storage. Here's the truth, that shelf life comes at your expense. High sodium raises blood pressure, while nitrates convert into compounds that tax your heart and vessels. It's comfort engineered in a lab, not cooked on a stove. The cheddar you taste isn't fresh dairy, it's reconstructed to melt and cling under heat without real milk structure. Johnsonville's richness wins in the short term, but it leaves your body handling the fallout of salt and synthetic additives. Cleaner versions with actual cheese and lower sodium. Show indulgence doesn't need chemistry to taste good. Number 2, Hillshire Farm. That bright red label, that smoky aroma, it all feels familiar. But that reliable Hillshire Farm flavor is built on industrial precision, not backyard smoke. Many of their sausages start with a blend of meats, including mechanically separated turkey, a pressurized paste forced through screens until it loses natural texture and much of its nutrition. To hold that color and fresh look, sodium nitrite steps in. It gives the sausage its pink glow and long shelf life, but cooking it regularly turns that additive into nitrosamines, chemical compounds tied to digestive and blood vessel stress. It's the same reaction that happens when nitrites meet high heat, a pairing your gut doesn't need daily. Because Hillshire Farm sits in nearly every grocery cooler, most shoppers assume it's safe by default. Yet that dependable flavor isn't true smoke. It's chemistry doing the heavy lifting. Swapping it for uncured or small batch, smoked link strips out those nitrates while keeping that honest, savory edge you actually want. Number 3, Eckrich. Eckrich carries that old-time charm on its label, but inside the package, durability wins over flavor. The recipe leans on corn syrup, phosphate binders, and MSG to trap moisture and stretch shelf life. The result is a sausage that keeps its bounce for weeks, yet feels rubbery and leaves a salty film after every bite. That's not craftsmanship, it's chemistry managing time instead of taste. Phosphates do more than hold water. When you eat them often, they pull calcium and magnesium out of balance, pushing your kidneys to filter harder. Over time, that load strains organ function, especially for anyone watching blood pressure or mineral intake. Eckrich stays consistent because the formula never changes, even if the meat character fades behind additives. Its long fridge life is no accident. It's designed for storage, not health. To protect yourself, pick sausages that list only meat, water, and spices. Simpler labels usually mean fewer lab tricks hidden behind the smoke. Number 4, Swaggerty's. Swaggerty's sells comfort as tradition, promising old-fashioned links that taste like a country breakfast. But behind that image sits heavy sodium and a preservative load that make it more factory than farm. The home-style tagline hides how much the flavor relies on enhancers, not freshly ground pork. That's why the grease yield on the pan is high. The recipe keeps fat suspended with salts that boost texture and extend life, not quality. The danger isn't just salt, it's how those preservatives change the fat itself. Pork fat treated this way oxidizes faster when reheated, turning into compounds that irritate your stomach and strain digestion. The clean flavor you expect gets replaced by a lingering metallic aftertaste the second day. Old-fashioned sounds safe, but it's chemistry wrapped in nostalgia. If you want real southern flavor, go small batch or local, where the links skip artificial curing and depend on honest pork and spice rather than stabilizer science. Number 5, Lechona. Lechona shows up at cookouts as a budget-friendly sausage, advertised for fiestas and family gatherings. The price looks great, but there's a reason it stays low. Reviews often note strange texture changes from pack to pack, some firm, some spongy, which signals mechanically separated meat mixed into the grind. That's the paste made by forcing leftover bones and scraps through a metal screen under high pressure, pulling tissue nobody would slice by hand. It meets USDA safety rules, yet this method strips away nutrients and leaves a uniform paste instead of real muscle. You save money, but you lose transparency. The label doesn't clearly tell how much of the meat comes from that process or how much filler steps in to stretch it further. Beyond flavor, that thick sponge-like chew points to starches and gums holding the mixture together. The bargain price might look smart at checkout, but your body ends up paying the processing costs later. Number 6. Roger Wood. Roger Wood's smoked sausages hold strong roots in southern kitchens, known for that bold, smoky scent that fills the air before you even open the pack. But the key to that flavor isn't real wood smoke. It's sodium nitrite and phosphate seasoning bases, driving the color, texture, and intensity. Those additives bulk up the water content, which means you're paying for extra moisture instead of pure meat. The smoky tang is a chemical echo, not the slow burn of an actual pit. Phosphates reshape protein chains, so the sausage snaps cleanly. But they also alter how your body processes minerals. Routine exposure to nitrite salts can wear down blood vessel elasticity, slowly tightening circulation like a belt that never loosens. Here's the kicker. That smoky aroma signals more lab craft than natural curing. Authentic smoke doesn't need chemical fixers or binders to taste rich. It's the slow wood fire, not the factory mix, that gives clean smoke its honest punch. Number 7. Market side, Walmart. It's easy to think the store brand is the safe pick, but market-side sausages often come from the same large processors that supply big national labels. That's why the sodium numbers and preservative blends line up so closely. You're not just getting a bargain, you're getting a familiar factory recipe under a different name. Those nitrates and fillers keep the links bright and soft for long shipping routes, not for your well-being. The packaging pushes the word fresh, yet the processing looks more like what happens inside frozen meal plants. Everything from the curing salts to the stabilizers ensures shelf stability first and nutrition last. The flavor you taste owes more to chemistry than freshness. You do save a few dollars, but every serving adds compounds your body must filter later. Scan the ingredients next time. If you see corn syrup solids or nitrite salts, that value isn't real savings. It's just another way mass production hides behind a friendly store label. Now for brands that protect instead of risk. Number 1. Applegate Naturals. Applegate Naturals skips the chemical shortcuts and builds its sausages on real, recognizable ingredients. You'll see no synthetic nitrates here, only naturally cured meats from animals raised without hormones or antibiotics. That clean foundation is rare at national scale, and you can feel it in the bite itself. The texture stays firm because it's real meat bound by its own proteins, not by phosphate glue. Flavor stays balanced because the seasonings come from actual herbs and spices, not flavoring agents. The label reads like a pantry list. Simple words, nothing hidden behind chemical codes. Once you've seen how stripped down ingredients can create full taste, the tension of trying to choose between safety and flavor disappears. Applegate proves large production doesn't have to mean industrial tricks. Look for uncured or no nitrites added on the package. Those signals tell you your sausage gets its flavor from meat and time, not chemical design. Number 2. Adels. Adels bridges the gap between indulgence and integrity. Their flavor lineup, like cotaya and poblano or the chicken apple favorite, leans on real spice oils, not flavor labs. You taste genuine herbs, dried fruit, and peppers, rather than powdered shortcuts dressed up as natural flavor. That's rare in a sausage aisle built on chemical consistency. Because Adels shows up everywhere from big supermarkets to deli counters, some shoppers wonder if it's still clean once scaled up. The good news, most of its lines steer clear of artificial nitrates and avoid MSG altogether. Instead, the brand layers spices and fruit sugars to hold moisture and reinforce flavor depth without color fixers or dyed sheen. It's proof that large production doesn't have to sell out for shelf life. The sausages stay juicy through food science that respects real ingredients. Rotating Adels into your meals cuts your exposure to stabilizers while keeping all that savory texture you expect from comfort food worth trusting. Number 3. Neiman Ranch. Neiman Ranch works from the ground up on one idea: healthier animals make cleaner food. Every herd is raised without antibiotics or added hormones, meaning the meat develops real structure and flavor before it's ever seasoned. Their uncured line skips sodium nitrite entirely, relying on thyme and salt to preserve. No glowing pink color, just natural tone from honest smoke. The price runs higher, but you're not paying for hype. You're paying for nutrient integrity and lower sodium that can ease long-term strain on your heart and kidneys. When the farm avoids chemical growth aids, the payoff shows up as denser protein and steadier mineral content, not watery mass. Small herds and slower curing let wood smoke do what factories imitate with additives. That patience builds a rounded, true flavor instead of the artificial bite of engineered smoke. Here, the ingredient list actually matches the farm story. Bottom line, in the additive war, Niman Ranch proves transparency tastes better. Number 4. Peterson's Farms. Peterson's Farms carved out its place early by rejecting artificial nitrates long before no added nitrate became a trend. Instead of industrial curing salts, they rely on celery powder and sea salt, both natural sources of nitrate that shift safely during cooking. The result still preserves flavor and freshness, but leaves only trace residues your body can handle without extra strain. Skeptics sometimes question whether natural nitrates differ from synthetic ones. Scientific reviews show the plant-based versions convert at much lower levels, producing safer byproducts that the body can easily process. It's a controlled reaction, not a chemical shortcut. Industrial sodium nitrite is precise but harsh. It floods meat with reactive salts that store bright color, along with long-term health trade-offs. Peterson's takes the opposite route, emphasizing full transparency in how ingredients are sourced and handled. They publish each step publicly, removing guesswork for anyone checking what's inside. Bottom line, this brand replaces chemical dependency with natural science and straightforward honesty. Number 5. Coleman Natural. Coleman Natural takes the clean label idea further by building it around animal care. Every product comes from crate-free farms where animals live with space to move, and no antibiotics or hormone growth aids ever enter the feed. That means the meat isn't shaped by fast-growth drugs or chemical residues, giving you protein that stays true to its source. The question is whether that purity can survive large-scale distribution. Independent audits suggest it can, verifying that these farms keep the same standards from breeding to packaging. That's rare in an industry where small print claims often collapse under big box pressure. Raising animals without routine antibiotics doesn't only affect flavor, it lowers the risk of antibiotic-resistant bacteria ending up in your food chain. Each step limits exposure to compounds that once made factory meat safer to ship but harder on public health. Coleman shows that strong regulation and honest supply chains can scale together. Bottom line, antibiotic-free here actually means something. Number 6. Belinsky's. Belinsky's chicken sausage proves that less can actually deliver more. Instead of chasing moisture with phosphates or MSG, it uses lean meat mixed with herbs and vegetables that naturally hold water. You still get a juicy bite, but it comes from real food chemistry. Things like onions and spinach acting as gentle binders rather than additives that trick texture. The label stays clean because every ingredient plays a clear role. There's no chemical gloss or filler meant to fake richness. The flavor feels subtle and balanced because salt isn't doing all the heavy lifting. Fresh garlic and ground pepper step in where sodium once dominated. Most people assume low-fat, low-sodium sausage equals bland. Belinsky's proves that belief wrong. The blend of lean protein and produce keeps the links tender without extra grease or chemical help. It's a quiet kind of craftsmanship that trades shortcuts for patience. Bottom line, fewer additives, natural balance, full satisfaction, proof that plain ingredients can still taste complete. Number 7. Teton Waters Ranch. Teton Waters Ranch closes the list as a full return to meat raised the way it used to be. Their sausages come from 100% grass-fed beef with no hormones, no antibiotics, and no added nitrates or MSG. What you taste is real beef, not salt or smoke flavoring. The animals graze on pasture, which changes the fat itself. Less saturated, more omega-3s, and fewer residues from feedlot additives that linger in regular beef. Grass-fed meat burns cleaner because the fat balance shifts from heavy to steady. That cleaner fat gives the sausage a mild bite and fewer greasy leftovers on the pan. You pay more up front, but you get nutrient-dense food that supports circulation and heart health long after breakfast ends. Every bite delivers genuine beef flavor that doesn't need chemical rescue. It's beef as nature formed it, not as factories rebuilt it. Bottom line, Teton Waters Ranch sets the benchmark for chemical-free nutrition in the sausage aisle. The pattern's clear. The biggest sausage names lean on chemicals, while the safest ones depend on open labels and real curing. Once you spot words like nitrite, phosphate, or corn syrup solids, you'll know it's time to steer clear. Clean brands show ingredients you can pronounce and processes that rely on time, not chemistry. Think of it like shopping with X-ray vision. You now see what the glossy packaging hides. Use that knowledge each time you buy. Read slow, pick smart, and trust simple labels. Subscribe now and stay alert. Next time we'll uncover what other smoked meats really conceal.